In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WinRAR on Windows 11. WinRAR is a trusted tool for opening and creating compressed files, and the setup only takes a minute. We'll walk through downloading it from the official source, running the installer, picking your preferences, and wrapping up cleanly so you're ready to use it right away. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official WinRAR website. It's important to use the official site to avoid third-party installers or bundled extras. Once you're there, look for the download section specifically for Windows. Windows 11 is 64-bit on most modern PCs, so choose the latest Windows version that matches your system and preferred language. Click the download button. If your browser asks whether to save or run, choose Save so the installer is stored in your Downloads folder. The file is small, so the download should finish quickly. Next, run the downloaded installer. You can click it directly from your browser's Downloads bar or open your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file. If Windows prompts you with a user account control message asking if you want to allow this app to make changes, select Yes. If you see a smart screen warning but you're sure you used the official site, choose More Info and then Run anyway. When the installer opens, you'll see the basic setup window. Click Install to begin. Right after that, you'll see options for file associations and integration. File associations tell Windows which app should open certain archive types by default, like RAR and zip. If you want WinRAR to handle these automatically when you double-click them, leave those boxes checked. If you prefer Windows' built-in zip handler to stay as default, you can uncheck zip and still keep RAR selected. You'll also see options for adding WinRAR to the context menu, which lets you right-click files and quickly compress or extract them. These are handy and can be left on. Don't worry, any of these choices can be changed later inside WinRAR's settings. Once you've made your selections, click OK. The installer will confirm the setup and show a completion message. Finally, click Done to close the installer. That's it. WinRAR is now installed on your Windows 11 PC. From here, you can double-click RAR or zip files to open them in WinRAR, or right-click a file or folder to compress or extract using the context menu. If something doesn't open as expected, you can always revisit file associations from within WinRAR's options. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined file management.